morning, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. So today I've got another speed clean for you, but this isn't going to be an all-day clean or an extreme disaster clean. This is going to be more of a basic everyday tidy up with me. So I'm going to go around today, show you what I'm going to be doing. But yes, today is going to be my nice, relaxed, basic, everyday cleaning. So do go ahead and get your to-do list out as well so you can clean along with me. I really do hope that you find the motivation in today's video. Go ahead and leave a thumbs up if you do, and let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so I'm starting off in the kitchen today, and as you can see, it's already nice and tidy. I do still have a few bits to wash up because is it really my kitchen if there's no washing up? And look how gross that sink is, like it's so grim. So I just need to go ahead and put the washing up away that I did last night, and then I can go in and do that little bit of washing up, clean all of the sink, and then clean the sides, because it has actually been a little while since I've managed to give all of the cupboards a good clean. I think you can even see from this distance how much stuff has been spilt. So up close it's so gross, like look at that, it's really bad. And then all of this, like the sides and that, need it cleaning. So even though from a distance it looks like it's a clean kitchen, it's really not. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop the washing up away, and then we can give it a bit of a deeper clean.
Just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you.
I wanted to escape for a while, thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. I wanted to talk, 'cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh my, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same and we.
Okay, so now the kitchen is nice and clean. I need to head through into the front room and tidy this mess up, but as you can see, it's really not too bad today. So I just need to tidy a few things away and then start the hoovering, which is then going to leave me through here, because this is an area that just gets left all the time. So there's just the box that needs to go in the garage and then a few random bits that need putting away. Also need to find somewhere for that table and sort out the post that's literally just the second been dropped through. So I need to sort this area out and then go in and hoover the stairs, because it's actually been probably a week and a half, if not more, that I've actually hoovered the stairs. So they really need doing. So I'm just going to start off by picking these few bits up and then we can go from there.
Until it's out of sight. No time, we'll have driven far from here. Right now, you need to pack your bags, my dear. We'll climb, the view is really great up there. I know we could be a splash of paint in a world that's otherwise so gray. Take me by my arms and say it's the first to color things this way. And you are typing the words down, let them take you back spaces. We could be a splash of paint. We could be a splash of paint. Could be a splash of paint. Could be. We could be a splash of paint. We could be a splash of paint. Could be a splash of. I know we could be. I know we could be a splash of paint in a world that's otherwise so gray. Take me by my arms and say it's the first to color things this way.
Okay, so next up on my daily to-do list is the bedroom. I always like to make my bed every day because it's just so much cozier to go to bed in the evening. So I didn't do it first thing this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and do it now and then pop a few bits away and just neaten it up. It's not too bad, so it's only going to take me a couple of minutes to do that. Then I'm going to head back downstairs and sort out all of the ironing. As you can see back there, it's building up again and I don't want to leave it too long because ironing takes me forever as it is, so I want to get that out of the way. But I'm just going to go ahead and make the bed first and then we can head back downstairs.
Not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in? All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything?
So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, and I really hope that you enjoyed this one. I hope you managed to tick a few things off of your to-do list as well. Do go ahead and leave it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you back here in the next one.